Welcome to this Tradeonix live trade on the EURUSD 1 hour time frame. All my indicators there and there are lining up, and here for a sell trade. So I'm just going to wait for this candle to close and confirmation of my signals. And once it happens, I'll be entering a sell trade. I'm going to then pause the video for now and be back shortly. Okay, so I'm back and I just entered a trade after that candle closed. My entry's there. My stop loss is above here. And I've decided to go for 2-to-1 on this trade as it's a very strong signal. So my entry, my exit, and my stop are set. I'm going to pause the video now and come back as the trade progresses. All right, so I'm back. This was my entry. So price continued moving down. Our stop loss was never in any danger so far. And the signal for the downtrend is still strong and looking good. So just a small update, and I'll pause again and we'll be back shortly to see what happens. Okay, and I'm back. And as you can see, we're very close to hitting our target here. And hopefully this will happen quite soon. If not, I'll pause the video and we'll have a look again, but it looks like it's about to close. A great sign. System's working well. Let's just give it some time to play out. And I'll pause the video then, come back just now. Okay, and I'm back. And as you can see, we've just reached our take profit target. Very successful trade. And let's just have a look and see how this played out. Let's measure this from the entry point to the exit. 117 pips. Fantastic trade. $2,318 I made on this trade. You can see how powerful this system is. Thanks for watching, guys. This only took a few hours to play out. Great trade.